MEDITE Trimax is a partnership between MEDITE SmartPly and SAM Mouldings. It takes the unrivaled durability of MEDITE Tricoya Extreme and applies SAM's experience of high quality finishes. The outcome is a cladding product that elevates all new or existing buildings. MEDITE Trimax is used for garden buildings, beach huts, sheds, leisure homes and summer houses. It also can be used for residential buildings below 11 metres in accordance with building regulations. MEDITE Trimax is the best choice in the market because it takes all the benefits of MTX and applies SAM's range of high quality finishes. MEDITE Trimax is made using FSC certified sustainably sourced timber. It's produced with fast growing softwoods that lock up carbon before being replaced at maturity. Added to that, it's the environmentally conscious choice that uses less waste over time due to its extended lifespan. What you get is a 50-year guarantee on the base panel, which gives customers the peace of mind that with proper maintenance, the cladding will last the lifespan of a building. MEDITE Trimax comes in a range of sizes and profiles. It can be purchased primed, ready to be painted on site, on a range of fully finished colours. Other colours are available on request, and we also have fascias and sofits to complete your look. When installing the product, there's a few things to bear in mind. So the battens need to be placed at 400mm centres. The panels will then fit together seamlessly. You put in a 3mm pilot hole, followed by a 5mm clearance hole, and the screws will then screw in. The screws themselves must be A2 or A4 stainless steel. It is also recommended to have a 200 to 250mm clearance from the ground